Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So this video is gonna be very beautiful guys, and also a very inspirational and motivational video, because in this video I'm gonna talk about the inspiration and the motivation, from where I get inspiration and how I get inspired, how I inspire myself and how I also motivate myself. This little inspiration is very important for all of us. If you want to do a work, if you want to be successful in your life, if you want to capture and if you want to achieve your goals, purpose, dreams, then you have to be inspired first of all. And then when with the help of the inspiration, when you will do a lot of hard works, then it will be very important. But we people, what we think, we just take inspiration from the YouTube, from the videos. But today guys, in this video I'm gonna prove it, and I'm also gonna talk about the many parts, many times of the inspiration, and also many kinds of inspiration. If you are thinking that inspiration we can only get from a person like our idol, what is your idol and who is your idol? You can get the inspiration from your idol, and it's the only inspiration. And also sometimes by watching motivational videos we get inspiration, and we also become and we get inspired ourselves, but it is wrong. Okay, whatever you want, you can take inspiration from them. You can inspire yourself from them. Okay, doesn't matter what is in front of you. If you were just sitting at your house, and then suddenly if you see a small little insect, like take an example of ant, then also we just ignore the ant as a smallest thing, and also we just don't give a focus thing, we just take it casually. But if you want, then you also can learn a lot of things from the ants. Yes, ants are small, but whenever you will see them, you will see them at the working situation. Okay, they always work, they always find, and also they always store grain, they always store foods for the winter, and they also prepare themselves for the winter. At the whole summer they just search for food, and they work for their children, they work for their families. So what's the thing? So from this little insect we also have learned in our life that in every time when you have time, try to use your time, because 1 second value is also very big. Because APJ Abdul Kalam sir also said us that time and tide, okay, time and tide work for none. It's not the right hand by APJ Abdul Kalam sir. APJ Abdul Kalam sir said to us that time is like a river. You can't touch the same water twice, because the flow of the river, it is just going on, and it will not stop or not come back again and will not return to you. So that's why now the situation, the movements, now the minutes, seconds, hours that you were spending, just ask to yourself, are you spending and are you just using your time perfectly? And then what the answer gonna be, just write down in the comment section. Okay, try to face your problems. What we people we do, whenever we do any work, then we just try to find out problems, but another thing's problems. Okay, just try to understand, like now I am making video, so now, like now it's also like a rainy season. Now it is the rainy season, so that's why yesterday night there was a very big rain at the area of our house. So now it's also morning time, so there are also some waters are still there, and all of the roads and also the mud, they are just like one kind of watery. Okay, everywhere I also can see the water. So that's why, for that reason, there are also some mosquitoes are going on, but I am speaking English, and that the mosquito also knows, and I will speak English, then I will just speak English, I will focus on my speaking. So that's why excuses with people, we just always try to find out another people, another work's problem. Like you were doing any work, and suddenly you just don't feel good to do that work at that moment. What we'll do, we just find out some problems of the work, but we don't find out problems of ourselves. We don't blame ourselves, we blame that it is wrong, it is right, if we do that then it will be good. Like lots of excuses we make. Like for example, you are doing any work, like think now I am making video. Now people, they will not make any kinds of videos at that situation. In this moment, they will say that no, now it's not a good time for to make the videos. The sunshine is not arise, and also mosquitoes are going everywhere. There is no any good place to make videos. But I did not just make any excuses. I did not blame my work. I just blame myself that why I am sitting at my home. If I don't use this time, then it may be also after few hours, after few moments, the rain will start. At that moment, I also will not able to make the videos at the whole day. Okay, just think, suppose you are thinking that now I will not do this work because it's not the perfect time of to do this work. So that's why after few moments I will do the work. And few moments later, the rain started, or also something happens which will give you trouble and which will not let you to do the work. So now what you will do? You have to face it. So that's why I always say that life always gives us a lesson. Okay, a lot of lesson. Like now life always tests us, take exams of us, but it's not the formal exams, it's the informal exams. That's also we learn a lot of things from the life. So life always teaches us many lessons. Like one of the lesson is that, as I also shared, so the world, it is perfect. If people say, and I've also I see that many people say that God doesn't give me that, God doesn't give me any opportunity. But no, God has given to us the most important and also the most powerful thing. It's the world. It's our environment. Okay. You can find out anything. What is your needs, what is your benefits. If you can understand and also capture the power of the world. Okay, like think suppose. Like if you also now if you don't have money, now what you will do? You have to live in this world. So that's why just you will start thinking that how the people means the another people means our fore and also forefathers people, how would they live, and also they would live without money. So they would live without money. So now also if we don't have money in this situation, we also can live without money. So now how will I live? It will be a different thing from this generation, because now it will be the impossible thing. But no, we also can live. We can eat the fruits and also a lots of vegetables and from the trees, and also we can just drink something. We can survive without the money also, but it will be the baddest and also the roughest thing. So I want to say that the world is giving us everything: opportunities, learnings, and informal education. It's always giving us, but it's our responsibility to take that. So now this also a little bit inspiration. If you also want, then you also can get inspired by this world. It's endless. Okay, the inspiration that the world gives us, it's incredible, and also it endless, infinite it is. Okay, whatever you need, if you are just like feeling bad, if you are depressed, if you are demotivated, then just ask to yourself questions and try to get the answers. Like why you are demotivated, why you are not able to do any work. Just ask. Whenever you will start to ask yourself, then you will only get the answer. Or otherwise, if you just think, and now I don't want to do this work, and if you just leave it, then in your whole life you will just start living the works and it will not be good. So remember my words, just whenever you will do something, try to find out your problems, not the another people problems. We focus on money, we focus on our benefits. Like what if I don't eat this work, if I do that work, then what will be? No, if I do this work, then I am just including and I am using my time, my hard work, and also the results are very simple. I am getting few monies. But if you just say to yourself that okay, now I why I am not feeling good to do this work, then you will obviously get the answer. You will, and you will just say and you will answer to yourself. So the inspiration thing that I was talking about, it is that inspiration if you want that you can get from the inspiration anything. Okay, I will share a story with you. So this story is also my story. So few days ago, it's not long far ago, few days ago I was scrolling the Meesho, means the online shopping website. At that moment I was just scrolling, I was searching for a good shirt for myself. At that moment I also found a good shirt, a very beautiful and very nice shirt, which was also in a low budget. So that's why I said to my father, I went to my father and I just asked him that, father, like this shirt, it's very nice shirt, I also like this shirt, so if you don't mind, can I order this shirt? At that moment my father said, okay, you order this shirt and I also will order this shirt, but I am giving you a challenge. If you can complete the challenge, then only I will give you, and also I will let you to buy this shirt. At that moment I was confused that what like challenges. So my father is also like that, and our environment is also like that. What I need in my life, and like the big things also, like my cycle, for to buy my first cycle I had to complete the second English textbook fully. Okay, and it was not like the story, it is the another part of the story. Like many years ago when I was in class 2, then my father came to me and he said that, son, I'm giving you a challenge. Like if you can just complete and if you can tell all the stories of class 2, then I will get you, and also I will just buy a cycle for you. And the cycle that my father going to buy, it was the fourth cycle. So that's why I was very excited. I said okay, and also like our agreement I also did, and after few days my father brought me the cycle. So like that, challenges we always just take and give challenges is very important. And also some people, it's gonna be a rude that how they are just doing for a little things, why we take challenges. But I am learning, I am preparing myself. Okay, I know that in my future everything is not gonna be the same. I also have to do my works, I also have to take my responsibilities. So from my childhood, if I just start getting prepared, then in my future it will be also more easier for me. Everything that I need in my life, I also can do the thing for it. Also for every work we have to do something. Like now I can't just earn, so that's why let's earn but another things. Like also for the shirt I said my father, and he said okay, I will just buy you the shirt, but you need a challenge. And then I said what was the challenge? Then my father gave me a book which name was Key to Success. Okay, the Key to Success. This book was very and a really good book. Few days ago my father brought the book. At that moment he said this book is very good, and the writer of this book is very talented. So now your work is to read the every chapter of the book and just make one video of the chapter. And then I said okay, the challenge accepted, and now I am here. So I am talking about the inspiration I am, and also I took that challenge for the shirt. So the shirt was my inspiration, and now also it is my inspiration. I am just investing all of my times for reading the books, for to explaining, sharing the ideas, because for only the shirt. So like if you want to make your inspiration, then you can make inspiration anything, doesn't matter. And also now the thing that I'm going to talk about it is that there are two kinds of inspiration. One is a negative inspiration, one is a positive inspiration. This topic is a little bit difficult to understand, but if you can capture the feeling, then you will understand it very smoothly and very easily. So let me share a story with all of you. This story is very nice and great story. And after hearing and after listening the story, you will understand and you will get the chapter of negative inspiration and positive inspiration. So once upon a time there were two friends. The two friends was very different from each other. One was the richest man in their society, but the another was like middle class brother. Okay, means the poor brother. One is a rich brother, one is a poor brother. We also have known the name of the book, which was the Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So that's why one brother is a rich brother and the another brother is the poor brother. But the difference was that they was belong from the same family, the same background, their situation was same, their family member was same, their friends were same, their school was same, everything was same. But in the future everything become different. So now the question is how the first brother become the richest man and the another brother become the poorest man. Then one day when an event was going on their society, then an interviewer also was there. So interviewer saw the both brother together. So he went to the poor brother first, and he said to the poor brother, "Hi sir, I am the interviewer. So I have few questions for you. If you don't mind, can I ask you?" Then the poor brother said, "Yes, yes, of course, you may." At that moment, the interviewer just asked the poor brother that just give us an answer. Now, why are you in this situation? Your brother is very rich brother, but you are not that much rich. But what happened? Okay, you and your brother was same. What makes you the poor brother? At that moment, the brother understood, and he said that no, the the fault was of our father. Yes, of my father. Then the interviewer said and asked that how the fault was of your father, how you have come in this situation. And then the poor brother, he said that when I was small, at that moment my father, he did not used to spend moment with us. He always would drink and also would do bad works. He used to tease us every time, and also he would not make fun with us, don't spend time with us. For that I also can't do and I can't complete my better education, and also nowadays I am not in a good situation in my life. So if my father would not do that, and if you also would act like the another good fathers, then also it may be that I also would be a good job manager and also a good person in my life. But now the work that I am doing, it's very hard, but I am doing the great thing. So at that moment the interviewer also got his answer, and he went to the richest brother, and then he said that why are you in this situation and how you have come here. Okay, your brother is very poor, but you is very rich. So what makes you richer? At that moment, the answer came out from the rich brother. He said that everything was for my father. Yes, means the fact and the fault was of form of my father. Then the interviewer said, "How?" At that moment, he said that my father used to drink. He would not spend great times with us. He always teased us. He always used to do bad and also would do many works that was illegal works and also bad works. At that moment when I was small, so I just inspired from my father, but in a positive way. I thought that now my father is in this situation for only those work. So I just said and I promised to myself, in my future I will do something which will change everything. And also I will not do the same anyhow that my father did and just wasted his whole life. At that moment the story is it. And in this moment the story is it. So this story is very very great and very small story, but it teaches us a lot of things that also we can't get from our formal education, from our school education. One is positive way, one is negative way. I say to everyone, every work has two ways, a positive way, a negative way. But now it depends on you how you take it and what you take it. If you just take it negatively, then you also will see more negative things of the work, of the thing. But if you take it positively, if you think positive things of this, then also everything will become positive. Okay, just try to understand the fault. Their childhood was same, and also their difference is one brother is poor brother, one brother is the richest and the rich brother, and the fault was of their father. For their father, the reason was the father. One brother, the poor brother, how he took the lesson. He also thought that my father is like that, in my future I also will be like that. And if I can't do anything, then I will give the faults of my father. But the another brother, he did not do the same. He just took everything positively and also in the positive way. Like my father is now in this situation for this thing, and I am not gonna be the same. I will be different. I will be totally different. So this little thing, if you also can understand, then you can inspire yourself at the every moment of your stage positively. A positive inspiration, a positive motivation, a positive attitude is the most important thing in our life. Okay, become positive in everything. Become positive. If you think negative, then the negative will be. If you are thinking now English is very hard, if I start speaking English I will do a lots of mistakes, I can't speak English, and I will start doing the conversation. At the middle of the conversation I will stop speaking, and I will just speaking, and I will start speaking at the stage. Then also for the people I will hesitate, I will fear. If you were thinking negative, then the works that are gonna be the happen in your life, they're also negative, they will be also negative. But if you are thinking that yes, I can do it, I have the hunger to do it, and I will do it, then you have the positivity. I know that it is not all about the thinking, you also have to act like that. But when you will be positive, then you will get more power. So this thing is the most important thing, the positive inspiration and the positive thinking and the positive rule. But now the thing that I want to share about inspiration is very important, so try to give some focus on it. I am talking and I will talk about the inspiration but not copy. Yes, inspire from people. We also make peoples our idols, our inspiration, and it is very very important for us. And if you don't have do this and done this, then you should do, but don't copy them. I also just observed, and research also say that 80% of people are copying something from people. Yes, we are copying people's talent. Now, it will be a rough thing, it will be a rude thing, but if you don't agree, then there is not anything that I am gonna do. I know that I am right, and I will say that, and I am properly agree with it. Now, for example, what a person is doing and how the person is being successful, we're also trying to do the same for to become successful. Okay, now I will understand you in another way. Try to just understand it. Like think a person is doing a work. Like just think that a person is reading or she is reading the grammar rules every day, and with the help of the grammars he or she have learned the English language. So now we also think that we also have to learn the English language with the grammars, the things that the person had done for to speak the English language. We also have to do the same, and that's why we are and we can't do anything in our life until we will invent something. Until you will not do different thing, we are not gonna be the successful. We are not gonna be the successful. What are people doing? I also have to do the same in this way. I also have to do the same. I also have to do the same thing. And if you don't want to do, then also the society will make you to do. Like now, why you are going different? Just come to us, join us. We also will do the same thing again and again. We will try and we will fail. Just try to understand people that don't want to make themselves successful. They want to you not to become successful. Yes, it also will be rude. Just try to think like i- in a class there are some children, okay, and in there is also a group of children, a bad children group, okay. Whenever the class will the class they talk like a bad students group school in the school, which also some people say backbenchers. So not the backbencher, I will not say that the backbencher is a bad thing. No, it's not the bad thing. Like there is also front bencher, the middle bencher, and the backbencher. No, now also it may be that sometimes when also we late to go in our school, we also have to and we can sit in the back bench. So it means not means that we also don't study, we always just focus on playing games, doing bad things. No, it's not the thing. I will say the bad students group, because they always just disturb their class, they always talk in the middle of their class, they always just play, they just unused and they waste the copy pages by making paper balls, paper planes. And also in their group like think that there are some also good friends of you. So now if you just want to leave that group and if you just say to them like come and also we will study, we will make good marks, then they will not say yes to you, because they don't want to success in their life, and also they will not let you to success in your life. So remember one thing, that the great people, they don't work with people but they work for people. Yes, they don't work with people, they just work for people. So and also you will understand it, you will be a great mind person. So just try to understand this thing that I am just telling to you. Just become positive mind and also just move. Okay, the thing that I was also talking about, I just forgot it, but now I am also remembering something. I was talking about that 80% of people we copy the another people, and it is real. Okay, the 80% of the people copies whom? The 20% of people who are doing the work and who are successful in their life. Okay, just try to understand the 80% people who are just copying the another people, they will not be successful. Yes, because they are copying and also they are not making something which is beneficial for them. If they also know that this work is not good for me, then also they will just try to do the same work. But the 20% of the people who are doing different things, and with the help of the difference, the people, if they also become successful, then it means they are successful. So I want to share this only with all of you. If you like it, then also I think that this video deserves one like and also one subscribe. Your one like, one subscribe also gave me a lot of motivation. So remember it, that the motivation, the inspiration, it is very important. Inspire from people, but don't copy anyone. If you understand it, then it will be great thing for you, and also you will be able to do any. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.